Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. For those who are new, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you're in the family, welcome back again. I didn't post a lot on my channel just because I had a lot to do, which I might not share right now, but I might share in the future. So I'm going to answer just 4 questions because most of you have been texting me on my Instagram asking me this and that about, sorry about that, about internship. So I'm going to answer you that first question. This person is saying, hi Dr. MiMie, my name is yeah. I just graduated medical school and I'm planning to do my internship in TZ, and I have some few questions. So I'm just answering for all of you because I know these are the same questions which people ask me most of the time. The first question is, which is the best hospital to choose if I want both hands on experience on academic hospital? So I would advise for someone who is coming in TZ and you really need to practice to go to a government hospital. Why a government hospital? For my experience, when you go to the private institution, it's difficult to deal with some patients because some of the patients are kind of choosy because they choose the doctors they want to be treated with. They choose who they want them to handle their stay during the time that they're in the hospital. So it can be tricky sometimes. It needs a little bit of a push for you to practice and to do some things. But there's some doctors who did the internship in private institution and they did well. So I think it's up to you. But in government, it's a little bit easier on my side. The second question is, how do I prepare best for my pre-internship exam? So most of the questions are MCQ, they are clinical based questions. So I would advise you to go to USMLE, and most of the questions are like that. I'm going to put a link down below, and I have a group which is specific to help doctors who wants to come to Tanzania, and I have some study materials which I think can be helpful for you guys. And yeah, I think simply just go on my link and then you'll find the group and you can join. The third question is, dress code for internship for both male and female. Is it strictly formal, or I can wear jeans and t-shirts as a lady, color that are allowed on my hair? So anyways, when you're in Tanzania, it's a little bit because hair, they mind a lot about the hair color, but it's not every hospital. As I said, we have private institution and government institution, so it depends with which place you are at. But most of the time, try to wear neutral, try to put, if you're putting a hair color, just a little bit of neutral hairstyles, a little bit of a neutral hairstyle. You cannot show up in the hospital with red hair in Tanzania and everybody will be like staring at you and don't even trust you. So I think about jeans, you can wear jeans. There's some days you can put on jeans, and I think over the weekends it's easier to pull on a jeans and a scrub, or maybe a shirt, which is nice because you're putting on a coat. So I think it depends with the hospital, and it depends with the day. So I think it's good to be professional most of the times, but you can pull on a jeans. And the last question is, if I want to take my exam in April, when do I apply? When should I be in TZ? And approximately how many weeks do we stay after writing the exam before starting our internship? So for those who are coming, I think they want to join their internship on April, I would definitely advise you to start the procedures with TCU, because you're supposed to be verified there. So if you're verified there, it's going to be easy for you after the verification. When the window for pre-internship is open next year, I think around April, it's going to be easy for you. So I would advise to start the process now, because it makes the whole process easier for you and you'll save a lot of time doing nothing. And the last question is, which hospital pays for an intern 4 night goals? I might do my research about it because I don't know much. But the hospital that I was at, they pay they pay calls, so but not every department. So it's tricky because it depends with the hospital, but I'm going to try to do my research, and I'm going to put it over here or here, the names of the hospital that pay foreigners for their night shifts. So I think that was quick and full loaded. So if you have any other question, you can quickly ask me and I'll definitely answer you. You can check my Instagram. I think it's easier for you to communicate with me, and I'll definitely give you an answer for whatever you're looking for. Anyways, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching until now. Love you. Kisses.